Good morning, everyone. I'm Francis Imoy, and I am the choir conductor of the university. At the same time, I am the trainer in the rondalia of the university. So, this morning, I would like to welcome everybody to our free guitar lesson, especially for beginners. Nag-start ko sining training program because I believe that there are so many students here in CPSU main campus nga grabe ka interested nga maka-learn sa instruments pero walay trainer. So we are in the rondalia team. We are trying to fill in the gap. So we will be conducting the free training workshop for this school year 2023-2024. So we're trying to help the students specifically for this school year, because at the same time my purpose is after the training program we're going to look into the students who are capable or there are potentials na pwedeng mahimong members sa CPSU Rondalia. Ako as the trainer karon, we have difficulties in finding members in the group because there are only few students who already know how to play the instruments. But later on, after the training program, if you are qualified and you already have the skills, maybe you will be able to be part of the group or you will be selected as one of the members. As of this time, we will focus first on learning the instruments. Specifically, we will discussing first the guitar instrument. This training is for everyone. This training is for all the students. But we are encouraging that if you will join the training program, you have your own instrument, you have your own guitar, regardless of it is classical or it is acoustic. It's fine. This training will be a combination of online, face-to-face, blended learning, and then sometimes I will be posting different training programs or video programs in the Google Classroom so that you can access it anytime when you need to review or when you need to have a class specifically during your vacant time. So again, I'm wishing you that at the end of the training program you will be able to learn, even though only a basic for this instrument. Hopefully, as of this time we have 46 registered participants in the training program. So hopefully at the end of the training program all of you will be able to perform, or at the end of the program all of you will be able to learn the instrument. So I hope and pray, and thank you so much. Please don't forget to always chat or message us if you have questions. Thank you. Bye bye.